Most people think survey apps are a scam, and honestly, most of them are using them wrong. Because if you click random 20-minute surveys for $1, you're not making money. You're donating your time. But when I tested the smartest strategy, some offers worked out to the equivalent of $35 an hour or more. Not every minute, not every app, but real payouts if you know where to look. And the biggest money isn't where beginners think it is. Small reminder here. If you want to stop copying random prompts from the internet and actually learn how professionals get incredible results, I highly recommend checking out this book. It breaks down how to think strategically when prompting AI so your content sounds sharper, deeper, and more original. Trust me, after reading it, buying prompt bundles will feel unnecessary. You will find the link below this video. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Survey apps don't pay for surveys. They pay for data, opinions, actions, and user acquisition. That means the real money often comes from bonuses, high-value studies, app trials, testing offers, and stacking rewards, not endless questionnaires. Most people never learn that, so they quit broke and frustrated. But here's where it gets interesting. If you treat survey apps like a job, you lose. If you treat them like a system, you can win. The goal is not doing the most tasks. The goal is doing the highest-paying tasks in the shortest time. Let's start with the apps worth checking depending on region: prolific style academic studies, user interviews type research platforms, Add-a-Poll, Prime Opinion, Swagbucks, Free Cash, inbox style reward apps, and cashback apps with sign-up bonuses. Notice something? I didn't say one app. That's because stacking changes everything. For example, instead of spending 45 minutes answering random surveys for $3, imagine this. You complete a 10-minute product feedback study for $8. Then a 5-minute screener leads to a 30-minute interview paying $20. Then a cashback sign-up bonus adds 10 to same hour, totally different result. That's how people hit 35 an hour moments. But don't do this yet. Most beginners make the worst mistake first. They sign up with empty profiles. Low-detail profiles get fewer invites. Companies want specific demographics, habits, devices, job roles, hobbies, and shopping behaviors. Fill everything honestly. Fully completed profiles can double your opportunities. Now let's talk the smartest strategy. Step 1. Join multiple legit platforms. Never rely on one app. One day it's dry, another day it pops. Step 2. Turn notifications on. High-paying studies disappear fast. Step 3. Only accept tasks with strong time-to-pay ratios. If it pays $1 for 25 minutes, skip it. If it pays $6 for 10 minutes, that's interesting. If it pays $15 for 15 minutes, jump in. Almost nobody talks about this next part. Screeners are part of the game. You may answer a few questions and not qualify. That's annoying but normal. Smart users don't get emotional. They move fast to the next one. Step 4. Prioritize research interviews. This is where the serious money often lives. Companies launching apps, food brands, finance tools, fitness products, and AI software need user feedback. Some interviews pay $25, $50, even higher for 30 to 60 minutes. One accepted interview can beat a whole day of low-tier surveys. And the biggest mistake happens here. People lie to qualify. Bad move. Platforms track inconsistencies. If your age changes, job changes, or habits change every survey, accounts get flagged. Be honest. Long-term access is worth far more than one payout. Now let's talk realistic expectations. Can you make $35 every single hour all day? Usually no. Anyone promising that is selling fantasy. But can you create sessions where your accepted offers average out to $20, $30, or $35+ per hour? Yes, especially during strong study periods or with interview platforms. That's the real truth. This changes everything because you stop asking, how much does one survey pay? And start asking, what's my blended hourly rate across the best tasks? Here's how I'd use this as a beginner. Morning check, 10-minute scanning offers. Lunch break, complete one fast mobile study. Evening, focus 30 minutes on best available tasks. Then stop. Survey apps work best in pockets of time, not endless marathons. Use dead time. Train rides, TV ads, waiting rooms, queue lines. That's where these apps shine. Turning wasted minutes into money feels small until it stacks into groceries, bills, subscriptions, or savings. Now, hidden mistakes most people never notice. Cashing out too early on every tiny amount can sometimes cost bonus momentum depending on platform rewards. Ignoring referral bonuses can leave money on the table. Missing email invites kills your best chances. And using old devices can block certain mobile tasks. But here's where it gets interesting. Your internet identity matters. Stable accounts, consistent answers, working camera or mic, updated devices, and reliable internet can unlock better opportunities like video studies and app tests. Those often pay more than standard surveys. Now, advanced tips most people miss. Keep a simple tracker. Platform name, task type, minutes used, payout. Within 2 weeks, you'll know which apps waste time and which apps print value. Cut the losers. Second tip, specialize in categories you know. Tech users get tech studies, gamers get gaming studies, parents get family studies, professionals get industry studies. The more relevant your real profile, the better your invitations can become. Third tip, combine surveys with adjacent methods. Cashback offers, receipt scanning apps, user testing, and referral bonuses can dramatically increase your effective hourly rate. Surveys alone are one stream. Stacked micro income is the smarter play. And let's be honest, survey apps alone probably won't make you rich. They're not meant to. They're a launchpad. They can reduce pressure, create your first online dollars, and prove income can come from your phone. That confidence is worth more than people realize. Because once you make your first $50 online, your brain changes. You stop seeing the internet as entertainment only. You start seeing it as opportunity. So if you're broke, busy, or skeptical, don't chase fake guru promises. Download 2 legit apps. Complete profiles tonight. Turn notifications on. Hunt only high-value tasks tomorrow. Track results for 7 days. Because the people making $35 an hour with survey apps aren't doing more surveys. They're choosing better ones. Start smart now.